Chevrolets, we're just dropping them all over the place here. It was one of the best kinds of cars that seemed to survive the rust bucket days, being out in the fields though. There's a few others, did you notice? Some Ford survived. It's all about how the metal was. This is a custom tan. Whatever that means. Let me know down in the comment section. I'd love to know more about these cars. You're the community. You know, come on. Tell me. I want to know. I'm begging you. Come on, tell me. I only know rough details about most cars. But I sure can appreciate the beauty, especially the time that goes into making every single one of these. I myself have done restoration on some vehicles and floorboards and everything, and I know how much time can go in just doing that right there, that floorboard. Takes a lot of time, a lot of effort. Please don't scratch. Not by accident, definitely not on purpose. If you're invited into a classic, show it the respect that you would show anything that you love. Because a lot of love goes into these. Until next time, this is Willis signing off.